Today, we are going to tackle one of the biggest challenges for any serious AI user, consistency. We are going to dive deep into a really powerful feature called Claude Skills. It's designed to help you get those perfect, repeatable results you're looking for every single time. When you ask an AI to do the exact same thing twice and it gives you two completely different answers. But what if you could just teach Claude your preferences once and it would remember them forever? Well, that's exactly what Claude skills are designed to do. So, what is a skill? At its core, it's just a simple text file, a markdown file. It's basically a set of instructions you write down one time to define a specific, repeatable task. This is how you stop just hoping for a good result and start guaranteeing one. It's like you wouldn't re explain a core task to a new coworker every single morning, right? You'd give them a playbook, a standard operating procedure. A skill is literally Claude's playbook. The purpose is consistency for sure, but beyond that, skill is encoding expert knowledge. Think about all those hard won rules you figured out over time, the gotchas, the edge cases, the never do this traps. With a skill, you write those rules down once and Claude never has to rediscover them. So, to really break this down, we're going to use a super simple real world example. We're just going to ask an AI to whip up a quick sales report for us. The prompt is about as straightforward as it gets. Create a Word document report on Q3 sales. Nothing fancy, no hidden tricks. It'll just grab a random coding library, pick whatever font it feels like, and save the file wherever it thinks is best at that moment. You run the command once, it uses one set of tools, you run it again, and you get a completely different set. Now, let's give the AI a playbook, a skill. Every step is defined. The AI knows exactly what to do, in what order, every single time. This is the real game changer. So this time, we're giving the AI the exact same command as before. It actually recognizes the task, finds the right skill, and then tells us, I found the demo Word doc skill following the playbook. It knows exactly what to do. I mean, just look at the difference. So we run the exact same command three times in a row. It will give the same output, the same confirmation message every single time. Okay, so how does Claude actually know when to use one of these playbooks? It all happens in a few quick steps. First, when Claude starts up, it just scans the names and descriptions of your skills, not the whole file, which is key for keeping things fast. Then, when you make a request, it tries to match what you said to those descriptions. If it finds a match, it reads the full playbook and gets to work. Now, you might be thinking, what happens if I have a personal skill for reviewing code, but my company also provides one? Which one wins? Great question. There's a clear hierarchy. At the very top, enterprise level skills set by a whole organization, they always win. Below that, your personal skills, then project specific skills, and finally skills from plugins. A logical system that prevents any confusion. Now, a Claude.md file is always on. It provides context for every single conversation inside a project. Think of it for project-wide standards. A skill is on demand. It only wakes up when your request matches its specific purpose. So skills are your best weapon against AI inconsistency. They deliver consistent output, encode your expert knowledge, save your tokens, and let you share perfect Claude behavior with your entire team. Think of them as a playbook for Claude. Write it once, benefit forever. And that really brings me to the final question for you. When you think about your own day to day work, what's that one repetitive, maybe kind of frustrating task that you could turn into a Claude skill? Think about it. I bet something comes to mind right away. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.